Sure, this guy does not look the same.
Looks guy playing. God, get this thing like that.
I would actually take the number plate off and just be ashamed of my car and go park it.
Why you think I haven't been driving the car?
How's it everyone? Welcome back. Hope you're all having a great day. I've got some good news following on from my previous vlog with regards to that GReddy lip of mine that got damaged with a transport carrier that brought my car back from Joburg. RM Spray Painting and Detailing has kindly offered to repair my lip at no cost to me, so I'm really thankful for that. It will be my first sort of sponsored repair, if I can call it that. But I know some of you are probably wondering what exactly this damage looks like, so let me just get to it and flip the camera around so I can just show you guys how damaged the lip is. And it cost me a fortune to get this thing down here. But yeah, I'm just thankful that it's not that badly damaged that it's irreparable. So hopefully Renaldo will be able to pull off a good job and make it look as good as new again. And then I just need to get my splitter from Gavin and attach that also. So yeah, let me just flip it around and let you guys have a look at this damage. And here we go. As you guys can see, apparently the driver said that he aired the car up and then put the switch back down. A stupid thing to do. It had to stay in the up position, and when he moved the vehicle he ripped through the lip. And I mean, this is not a flimsy lip, it is extremely solid polyurethane, hard poly, and for that kind of damage to have been done, it was obviously done at a bit of speed also and not gradual movement. Otherwise the rest of the lip still intact. Then as we come over to this side, not as bad, but still took quite a chunk out of it. And the support that's underneath has also been damaged. So I'm just going to get ready to go through to Renaldo and drop off this lip and then get an estimate on how long it's going to take for the repairs. But yeah, I don't need it to be done urgently, as the next shows that I will be attending is only in September. I'll catch up with you guys once I get to him. And I've just made it down to Renaldo's, so we're just going to attempt to take off this lip quickly. It's been Sikaflexed on as far as I know, so yeah, I don't want to pull on it and damage it any further than what it is already. So yeah, let's just get to that and I will check back with you guys in a bit.
So this is how the lip currently looks after those idiots at whatever towing company that was. Transport company. And when we see it again, she should be looking brand new, thanks to this guy over here.
Right here. You see, we can still go with S.W.A.T.
There we go.
Wait, I'm gonna get the shot so you can see it.
And that's it for this vlog. I've decided to keep it short. Yeah, I don't want to bore you guys with too much unnecessary content, but I have no doubt that Renaldo will do a fantastic job getting that GReddy lip of mine sorted, so I can't wait to see the finished product. And afterwards I'll be taking it away to be prepped for respray, so that will be next on the cards, all in preparation for the Honda Rekodu Cup taking place at Grand West Casino, as well as the Stellies Honda Owners Club Aired Out Show, which is taking place at the Old Wood Mall in Stellenbosch. But until the next one guys, remember, your ball, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.